Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Kick channel. If you are looking for a fast-paced and precise Forex scalping strategy, then you are in the right place. Okay, in this video we're just going to be diving into the Cobra Forex Scalping System. Now it's a strategy that is designed for quick trades, tight risk management, and high frequency execution. So if you want to master scalping on the 1 minute and 5 minute charts, then stay tuned because I'm going to break it all down step by step. And do not forget, if you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button and subscribe for more powerful Forex strategies. Okay. Now, the Cobra Forex Scalping System is a specialized trading strategy that is built for short-term price movements. Unlike swing or position trading, scalping focuses on capturing small price changes, which include holding trades for just a few seconds to minutes. Okay, this system works best in high liquid markets where prices move quickly, allowing traders to take multiple trades in a single session. So if you are someone who enjoys being actively engaged in the market, then this strategy might be a great fit for you. Okay, now let us just talk about the key technical indicators that make this strategy work, and I'm also going to be showing you how I'm going to download the indicators, or rather the templates, and in fact the entire system that is needed for this strategy. Okay, so basically the indicators that this strategy uses are moving averages, stochastic oscillator, and Bollinger Bands. But let's just go quickly to getting the indicators. Right, you can see this is the Cobra Forex Scalping System. As you can see, this is how it looks like, right? But now if we want to get the indicators and the template for this strategy, we can just download it, right? I have already downloaded the system. I've downloaded the strategy already. So let's just come here. You can see these are the indicators. You can see all these. This is the section for, this is the Cobra Forex Scalping System folder. And these are the indicators right here. These are the indicators for this system. Okay, so I'm just going to copy everything and I'm going to paste it inside the data folder. Just come to your MT4, click on File, click on Open Data Folder, and then once you have done that, you just click on MQL4, you click on Indicators, and you paste everything. All right, you paste all the indicators because you need all the indicators to make up the system, right? Replace the file in the destination, so you need all the indicators to make up the system, right? So I haven't done that. We're also going to get the template for, we need the template for this system so that we will not have to manually add everything ourselves. Okay, so the next thing to do, I'm just guiding you through how to get this system working on your MT4. So now we have to copy the template file. Okay, when we do that, we come to our terminal, we go to open, not open data folder. This time around, what we're just going to do is, you can actually decide to go through here, but if you want, you can just go directly, from your chart, right? But let's just go through here. Okay, you paste the template here, the Cobra Forex Scalping System template. So now we have pasted all the indicators we need and we have pasted the template as well. So the next thing now is to close your MT4. Once you have closed your MT4, I'm just going to close all these. Once you have closed your MT4, then you have to restart it. So now let us open the MT4 again. All right, we're going to open the MT4 again. All right. The reason why you have to restart your MT4 is so that the new files that you just added can be able to load. All right, because if you do not restart your MT4, you won't be able to load those new files that you added to the folder. Okay, so here we go. The MT4 has been restarted. So now we're just going to insert okay, we're just going to insert the new template. Can you see the Cobra Forex Scalping System template has come? Can you see? Here we go, straight up. So you don't need to manually add the indicators yourself. So all you just need to do is you copy all the indicators, you paste it in your indicators folder, and you copy the template, you paste it in the template folder, and you restart your terminal, and then you come and add the template to your chart. So here we go. Right now, like I said, the moving averages, are used by the system, to track price trends and confirm trade direction. You can just look for crossovers as potential entry signal. For example, when we have something like this happening here, this was a good buy opportunity, right? And this was a good sell opportunity. Okay, then you can see this indicator that is right here in the indicator window. This seems not to be this. I don't think this is not a stochastic oscillator. This seems to be another indicator. It seems like it's an unfamiliar indicator, though. But how you can use this indicator basically is in addition to confirm the signal given to you by the moving average, and this particular indicator and this one, when you have a crossover, when this light blue indicator crosses below this moving average that is changing from green to red, you have a sell signal, right? And then when you have the light blue indicator cross above this moving average, then you have a buy signal. And you also look out for the moving average to change color to green. That is a buy signal. Then when the moving average changes color to red, that is a sell signal. Okay, so these indicators, they all work together, right? Remember that some of the checklist you need to have is the light blue crossing below the moving average for sell signal, and the moving average changing color to red. And then you have to make sure that the light blue crosses above the moving average and the moving average changes to green. That's for your buy signal. At the same time, you watch out for this indicator right here. Let it enter the lowest territory, right? Make sure the indicator has dropped to the lowest territory and starts coming back up. That is a buy confirmation. So once you have this buy confirmation, you have the green color and you have this light blue cross above this, that you have your buy signal. Okay, then for the sell, ensure that this indicator has entered the extreme or upper level, right, and is coming down back. So once you have had the indicator coming down back, in fact the indicator should drop below the zero level, right? The indicator should drop below the zero level. You can see this is the zero level. So once it has dropped below the zero level, then you watch out for these other checklists, and then you have a sell signal. Then for this, the indicator should climb above the zero level. Once it climbs above the zero level, and then you have your light blue cross above the moving average, you have the moving average change color to green, you have your buy signal. Okay, so it's quite straightforward. All right, it's quite straightforward. Then as for this indicator, this one that is showing green and red, you can just be looking out for momentum. Okay, you can be watching out for, you will notice that when there is green color, the market is likely consolidating. If you look closely, you will see when you have the green color, there is likely low volatility. Let's check. You can see here again, there is likely low volatility whenever you find the green color. You can see here again. You can see here again. So what you'll be watching out for is the red color. All right, it doesn't matter if it is a buy trend or a sell trend. Just watch out for the red color. Okay, can you see that here when we had the red color from here to this point, from this point to this point, we had a little buy, although it was not long. It was not long before it changed back to green. And okay, basically, if you are in a sell trend, okay, this place was a buy trend, right? This is a buy trend. Let us look at it closely. When you are in a sell trend, your sell confirmations are when these bars are red. When the bars are green, it's going to be pullbacks or consolidation. But when you are in a buy trend, the red color is going to be mostly pullbacks or consolidation. So that's what I just noticed right now. And you can see that when it was green, it is an up move. It was an impulse move. But when it was red, it was more like a consolidation or a pullback. It was actually more of a pullback. Can you see? It was more of a pull. I just realized that right now. So you can see that when in a bullish trend, you have the red bars indicating an impulse move, and in a buy trend, you have the green bars indicating an impulse move, and the red bars indicating a consolidation or a pullback. But in a downward trend, you have the red bars indicating an impulse move and the green bars indicating a consolidation or a pullback. So now let's just go through it again. Okay, let's just go through it quickly before we wrap up. Now, what do you have to look out for a buy trade? Okay, for a buy trade, you have to look out for this blue line cross above the moving average, and the moving average turns the color to green, and then you ensure that this particular indicator crosses above the zero level, and you make sure that these bars have turned to green, because I advise you trade in the direction of the trend. Okay, so that is for your buy checklist. Then for your sell checklist, you watch out for this light blue line cross below the moving average, and ensure that the moving average then changes color to red, and then you ensure that this indicator has dropped below the zero level, and then you look out for the red bars. Okay, the red bars are giving you your confirmation to sell. Then as well, you can look out what is happening here. You can see that this indicator also tells you what currency pair it is, the current price, the spread. So these are just additional information for you. Okay, these are additional information if you want to structure your own unique strategy from this. Maybe you want to get some ideas concerning the ADX levels and the spread and all of that. So these are just additional informations for you. Okay, so basically that is it. This is how to use the Cobra Forex Scalping System. Okay, now some pro tips for you. Ensure that you trade during high liquidity sessions, okay, because these are the best times for scalping. And those sessions are the London sessions and the New York sessions, right? So those are when price movements are most active. And avoid news events, because high impact news can cause sudden price spikes which can disrupt your trades. Ensure you also use a fast execution broker. Since scalping requires quick entries and exits, make sure your broker has tight spreads and low latency execution. Okay, so if you follow these rules, you'll have a much better experience using this system. Okay, now for the sake of liquidity and spreads, scalping requires high liquidity, so it's crucial to trade pairs that have tight spreads and fast execution. So some of the best pairs for the Cobra scalping system are the Euro USD, because it has high liquidity, low spreads, and frequent price movements. Also, GBP USD is a good choice because of its great volatility for quick trades, and then USD JPY is also a good choice because of smooth price action with minimal slippage. So basically, you can focus on major currency pairs if you want to use this system and scalp effectively. Okay, and ensure you also use your small time frames, of course, because traders focus on 1 minute and 5 minute charts if you want to scalp, right? If you want to use this system to scalp, then you have to focus on small time frames, like the 1 hour and the sorry, I said 1 hour, the 1 minute and the 5 minute chart. These charts are good for scalping. Okay, so the key here is speed, and this isn't a strategy where you hold trades for long, so just get in and take your opportunity and get out, right? Okay, so that is a wrap on the Cobra Forex Scalping System. If you're someone who loves fast-paced trading, this strategy can be a game changer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more trading strategies. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or you want to see me test this strategy in live trading session. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.